Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable home office square footage method calculations, full guide step by step clearly. To enable home office square footage method calculations, begin by determining your available space. Measure your home office area accurately. Use a measuring tape to calculate the length and width of the space. Multiply the length by the width for total square footage. Next, gather your business records and identify the percentage of your home used for business. Calculate the total square footage of your home. For example, if your total home is 1,500 square feet and your office is 200 square feet, divide the office space by the total space. This gives you a percentage of about 13%. Now, focus on tax regulations concerning home office deductions. Familiarize yourself with the IRS guidelines for the square footage method. Ensure your home office is exclusively used for business purposes. Document any related expenses, such as utilities or internet costs. Calculate the amount based on your percentage. Multiply your percentage by eligible home expenses for deductions. Set up a dedicated workspace that meets IRS criteria. Maintain detailed records throughout the year to support your calculations. Consider using accounting software for better expense tracking. Review your expense logs regularly to ensure accuracy. Once you're ready, consult a tax professional if you have questions. This will help ensure compliance with any changing regulations. Finally, prepare your tax return accurately using the square footage method calculations. Double-check all figures before submission to avoid errors. You're now equipped to utilize the square footage method for home office deductions effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.